Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a cat with bunny ears. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. First, let's draw a big semicircle. Draw a line from left to right to close the shape. Next, let's add the brim of the cap. Looking cool already. Time for the best part. Draw 2 long bunny ears on top. Boing! Boing! Now, let's add the back of our cap. Add some little stitches to make it look real. Stitch, stitch, stitch. Draw a cute bunny face right on the front. What a sweet little face. Our sketch is done. High five. Let's grab our colors. Use black for the eyes and the tiny nose. Blink, blink. Color the front part with a lovely light pink. Be careful now. Don't color over the face. Stay inside the lines. You're doing great. Now, color the brim of the cap. Smooth and steady. Color the outside of the bunny ears. Let's keep the inside white for now. Looking good. Grab your dark pink or red for the back of the cap. Wow, look at that contrast. Now, let's fill in those inner ears. Pink and cute. Last step. Color the inside part of the brim. Almost there, and ta-da! Our cute bunny cap is finished! Why not draw another one and pick your favorite colors next time? See you! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you next time!